Closed captioning for great tastes is presented by Manitoba Chicken Producers, your online source for yum. Manitoba Liquor Mart presents Great Tastes of Manitoba. Great Tastes is brought to you by GreatTastesMB.ca. Local farms, local foods. Great Taste is sponsored by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture through the Canadian Agricultural Partnership. Welcome to Great Tastes of Manitoba. My name is Des Daniels, and we are here tonight with Gina Sunderland, Manitoba Chicken, and we are on a roll. Literally, we're going to be doing some rolling tonight. It's about circles, so more on that in a sec. Aaron Alblas up here. Hi, Aaron.
Hi.
Manitoba Liquor Mart's product ambassador, going to do some beverage pairings for us as per usual. Okay, Gina, on a roll with Manitoba Chicken. Walk us through our recipes tonight.
Okay, well tonight we're going to make chicken and pesto pizza buns. And we are going to make chicken and ricotta lasagna rolls, nice and decadent. And our third recipe is going to be tropical chicken taquitos.
Okay, sounds like some family-friendly and also kind of fun recipes. So we'll get into that in a sec. Do you have some sort of thoughts here already?
Yeah. So if you've seen previous episodes, you know I have a passion for Canadian wine. Commonly, we see Canadian wine coming from the Okanagan Valley or the Niagara region of Ontario. These are actually, I'm going to pair the first two recipes with wines from Nova Scotia, one of which is sparkling wine. Then we're going to have a little fun with a couple hard sodas, which are making kind of a bit of a comeback
hard
and lead
sodas.
the trend. Yeah, hard sodas.
All right.
Yeah.
All right,
I'll explain more.
Good. All right, looking forward to that. All right, Gina, here we go. Chicken and pesto pizza buns. First thing right off the, so family, my kids would just love this, which is never a bad place to start, right?
My kids do just love these.
Do they? Okay, great.
Yeah.
The ringing endorsement right there. And so we've got this beautiful piece of dough here. Let's get started building these.
Yeah, so you start with a pizza dough, and you can get them at, many places now you can buy pizza dough. And this is a neat sauce. It's a tomato pesto sauce. So I'm just gonna put this on here and spread it around. It's half a cup, and you wanna spread it right to the edges of the dough.
And so the thing that I think immediately when I see this is okay, tomato pesto. It seems we've had a conversation in a previous life about canned bruschetta, these pantry staples, right? The things that you often have in your pantry, in your kitchen already anyway, and if not, might not be a bad idea to get them in there because you can make these amazing recipes just by having some of these staples on hand, and of course Manitoba Chicken tonight as well.
Right, I absolutely agree with that. This has become a favorite pantry staple. It is so flavorful and delicious.
That already looks good. You can pretty much roll that up and just, but we're not stopping there.
Okay, so the next step is about 10 slices of salami, and I'm just gonna get you to put that on there.
So is there a right way, wrong way?
That is the perfect way. Just what you're doing is great.
Winning.
Looks good already. These are just bursting with flavor, and you're right, my kids love them. I'll usually make, at least a double or maybe a triple batch because they make a perfect lunch for the next day, and also they freeze great, and you can just warm them up in the oven or the microwave. So we have a cup and a half of shredded chicken that I'm putting on next. And again, this is a super way to use up your leftover chicken. So if you've made roast chicken on the weekend, this is a wonderful way to
chicken sandwiches are great. It's nice to have a few other things to do with it. So.
And this is 2 cups of mozzarella, so we could just sprinkle that on together. These are just so full of flavor. You can see the ingredients are flavorful all on their own.
Yeah, you literally can't go wrong with anything.
You just can't go wrong.
You can't mess this up.
Yeah, and everyone can get involved in making this.
Sure.
And then it's a tablespoon of basil and a tablespoon of oregano. We just sprinkle that on and we can share the job.
Yeah, and traditional kind of pizza flavorings, right?
These are absolutely delicious. So then you just roll it up because we are on a roll tonight, as we said.
This looks a little challenging. I don't know. Well, you just kind of attacked it there, so you seem to know what you're. Well, obviously you know what you're doing.
You know what? It's almost like if you've ever made cinnamon buns.
Oh, okay.
So you've just got to flour for it. So what I like to do, this is a little secret here.
Okay.
This is the important part. You just pinch this end closed. Yep. So it's a seam there.
It's like an oblong gigantic pierogi.
It sure is, and it's got a ton of flavor.
Okay, so you pinch it and then you flip it back.
Right.
Okay.
I flip it over, seam side is down.
Yeah.
And I like to just press it here to press all the toppings together.
Look at that. Nicely done.
Yeah, it's just a lovely recipe. It's one of my favorites. So we're
Okay.
gonna cut this into 6 buns. I like to start by finding the middle.
All right.
And I just slice down the middle,
Okay.
and then you just slice
Go
into
down.
3. Yeah, super
Oh.
easy.
So now, well, I mean, we'll see the finished product here in a second, but do they get any whole lot bigger?
They puff up and they get brown, and that's when you know that they're done. You bake them about 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and they're done. So
And
we
that's
just
it?
turn it up, yeah, and we put them onto a board with cornmeal.
Okay, and now what's with the cornmeal?
It makes the bottoms nice and crunchy, and it stops them from sticking.
Perfect.
Yeah, so you can see, and then the last step is we just sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on
Okay,
top of them.
okay.
And you press that in, and away you go. You've got your perfect pesto buns.
There you have it, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think we've got time to probably get them all on there. I get a little bit, I guess, bit of a messy challenge, but you know what? That's cooking. That's how that goes,
That's
right?
right. Oh,
Stress
yeah.
about it too much.
No, this is just super. You just give them a little pressing down, and yeah, we've got them made. See how quick that was? So chicken and pesto pizza buns, and they are delicious, and they will soon become one of your family's favorites.
Well, again, and one of the reasons why I love this whole idea is that, like, as you say, they freeze really well, and I love
Beautifully.
that I could potentially just, I get a text from my kids. It's like, you know what? It's in the freezer. Help
Yeah.
yourself, kind of thing. If I'm running
Exactly.
late, getting home
Right.
from work or school or whatever it is. All right, beautiful. I love these. What a
I
great
love
way to
them
start.
too.
Okay, on a roll with Manitoba Chicken. When we come back, chicken and ricotta lasagna rolls here on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by GreatTastesMB.ca. Local farms, local foods.